The number one reason your restaurant is losing customers and how to fix it. In fact, 9 out of 10 restaurants I work with are making at least one of these loyalty program mistakes without even realizing it. But today I'm going to show you how to fix them fast. And trust me, mistake number 3 is the sneakiest. It's the one that's actually driving customers away instead of bringing them back. So stick around for that one. But before we dive in, I want to hear from you. What's one thing that you think is hurting your customer retention right now? Drop it in the comments. If you're new here, I'm Nadia and I help restaurant owners increase their revenue using psychology-backed strategies that work. I've worked with multiple restaurants and one client boosted their repeat customer rate by 40% after fixing one simple loyalty program mistake. If you want more profit boosting strategies like this, hit subscribe and turn on the notifications. 70% of people who enjoy my videos forget to hit subscribe, and it costs nothing, but it helps other restaurants find this content and grow their business as well. Here's the harsh truth. Most loyalty programs don't work anymore. Not because they're a bad idea, but because they're designed in the wrong way. So if customers don't understand your loyalty program in 5 seconds, they won't use it. If the rewards aren't exciting, they'll forget about it. And if there's no urgency, they won't rush back to redeem anything. Restaurants that get loyalty programs right see a massive boost in repeat business. So let's make sure that yours is one of them. Mistake number 1, making it too complicated. If a customer has to do maths to figure out their rewards, you've lost them. If you're using a confusing point system with different spending tiers, expiration dates, unclear benefits, people will just ignore it. Instead, keep it simple. So buy 5 meals, get 1 free, or spend £50 and get £5 off your next visit. No apps, no complicated rules, just easy things that make sense. Mistake number 2, weak rewards that don't excite customers. Let's be real, no one is going to come back just for a free breadstick. Your loyalty perks should make customers feel special. So think VIP access to secret menu items, exclusive discounts, or even first dibs on a new dish. Make it something that customers really want. Now, mistake number 3, which is the worst. It's actually driving customers away instead of bringing them back. No urgency. If customers feel like they can redeem their rewards anytime, they won't rush back. That's why limited time offers work really well. So for example, instead of saying earn 10 points and get 1 free meal, you can say double points this week or double points this Tuesday only. Urgency gets people faster through that door. Which of these mistakes have you ever made? Drop a number in the comments. I promise I won't judge you. Now, let's talk about what actually makes a loyalty program irresistible. First, make sure it's tailored to your brand. If your restaurant is known for cocktails, then make the rewards about drinks. If you're famous for brunch, then offer brunch perks. There are 3 main loyalty program styles that work best. Number 1, VIP perks. Give your loyalty members exclusive access to new menu items, private tasting events, or even priority seating on weekends. Number 2 is the points-based rewards. This is the classic system of spend X amount, earn X number of points, and redeem it for free meals or discounts. Finally, number 3 is your limited time offers. These create urgency, like a buy one get 1 free deal that's only available for loyalty members for the next X number of days. Which of these do you think would work well for your restaurant? Let me know in the comments. And let me tell you about Joe's Diner. He had a family-run restaurant that was struggling. They had a loyalty program, but customers barely used it. It was confusing, the rewards weren't exciting, so they simplified it. Every meal earned points, and after 10 meals, customers got a free entree. When they added urgency, double points on Wednesdays, most importantly, they promoted it properly, staff reminded every customer at checkout. The result? Customer retention skyrocketed. Their profits increased by over 20% in just a couple of months, and customers actually started bringing friends to earn more rewards. It's the power of a great loyalty program. Your customers want to come back, you just need to give them the right reason to. 90% of restaurant owners who launch loyalty programs will see an increase in repeat customers. So don't wait. Comment loyalty below if you want a step-by-step guide in creating a high-impact loyalty program for your restaurant. And if you're serious about increasing restaurant profits, make sure to hit subscribe, turn on notifications, because I will share expert growth strategies every single week. Loyal customers spending more, visiting more often, and turning into free word-of-mouth marketing. So what's stopping you from launching yours today?